guys, my name is Candace and I'm here today to show you how to use command prompt in Windows to make your USB drive bootable. Most often we use third-party software, but in the case where your third-party software fails you or say you do not have one to use, I'm going to show you how you're going to manage that with a USB drive. So without much ado, let's dive in. So here I have my USB drive, and first what you need to do is to insert the USB drive into your computer. Now what you need to do is to locate command prompt. Now there are several ways of doing this. You can either search, that is there, you just go down here, then you search for CMD. Now we have two ways. You can either right click and then run with admin privileges. It will open up, then you click yes on the dialog box that appears. Then over here you are running command prompt in with admin privileges. Now in the command prompt dialog box, here's what you do. You type diskpart, hit enter, then it loads up the diskpart. But then here's the case: if you had run the command prompt without admin privileges, it will open up another dialog box for the diskpart. So take note of that. So I think I'll go over that particular procedure. So let's say I run command prompt with a combination of Windows key plus R. I type down here CMD, hit enter. It opens up command prompt, and over here if I type diskpart and hit enter, you realize that another dialog box opens. So that is just a difference, not much. So then in diskpart, you type in the following commands. First, you type list disk. So the list disk command is to show you the drives that you have inserted on your computer. So then over here I think I have disk 0 being my primary hard drive, which I'm running my operating system on. Disk 1 being the secondary hard drive, that is just a backup hard drive that I inserted as well. And disk 2 here, you see it contains 7,680 megabytes. That is equivalent to an 8 gigabyte pen drive. That is the pen drive I just inserted. So now, having seen that your pen drive is disk 2, this is what you do. You enter, select disk 2, then you hit enter. You see disk 2 now selected. Yours might be a different disk altogether, but mine is disk 2, so take note of that. So then after you select disk 2, you go ahead and then type clean. That is to clear off everything that is on the USB drive you're using. You hit enter. Sometimes it might take a while depending on the speed of your USB flash drive. Now the disk has successfully been cleaned. So then we go ahead and type create partition primary, hit enter. Then it has successfully created a partition. Now after you successfully created a partition, your next command is format fs, that is file system, equals to ntfs quick. Now why you are using the ntfs file table is because you realize that not all operating systems will be able to run on FAT32 file system. So then that is why we are using ntfs. It goes for most of the operating systems. So it has successfully formatted. Now what we do is we assign, then automatically the computer assigns a drive letter to it, and then you mark the partition as active. So you just enter active, hit enter. That is all for it. So then you've successfully created a bootable disk. Then what you need to do from here is you go and locate your operating system files. So after this command, you just exit, hit enter, exit, hit enter. Now you locate your operating system files. I think mine are right here. So depending on the operating system you want to run, let's say Windows 10 Pro. So I highlight everything, copy, bring them to the USB drive here, then I paste. And there you have it. Folks, that is how to make a USB drive bootable in command prompt. If you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Kindly also share, like, and comment on the video, so then I get to be able to make more content for you and your friends. Thank you very much for watching.